Getting your customers to see your business can sometimes be hard and often expensive. Are you someone who wants to set up an ad for your business, but you don't know where to start, how to pay, or what to expect? Introducing MTN Thryve Google Ads, designed with you in mind. With just your MTN number, you can purchase an ad plan, set up an account, and run ads for your business. Here's how. First, you dial *460*3*3*2#. Then, you choose a Thryve Google Ads plan and hit send. Press 1 to buy for self. You'll be asked if you want to migrate to Thryve. Press 1, which is yes, to proceed, which enables you to enjoy the service. By proceeding, your account balance will be debited and your Thryve Google Ads plan purchased. You get an SMS in the link to get started. Click on the link to activate your account. Create an account by entering your personal and business details. Click on Create Your Account. Enter the OTP sent to your MTN line. Voila! You can now set up your Google ad. Choose the location where you want your ads to be seen. Enter the names of your competitors. Type 2 ad headlines and descriptors in the fields provided. Insert a URL. Add some interesting keywords to make your ads easy to find. Agree to the terms and conditions. Watch the intro video to get familiar. After watching the video, proceed to view your dashboard. Here, you see the progress of your ads. That's how it's done. Easy peasy. Time to stand out. Dial *460*3*3*2# now and let Thryve Ads elevate your business presence.